welcome to my channel. And today this video is on this nerf rival. It has two dots. We can store our dots over here. This is here. There is one button which we can switch on or off, and this is way to load it. And we want to load it like the over here. This is the trigger, and now I show you the test. So this button is off, and when we take it on top, so it got on. Now I'll show you. It's very fast. Oh, so like these, the bullets are very small and very hard. Means it is of rubber, but it shoots hard. And here it is some stickers are there like a rival. Then this all, and it is in black, orange and red in color. So bye bye guys. Please subscribe, like.